Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the L'Oreal Paris Root Cover-Up Temporary Gray Concealer Spray in dark brown. If you're looking for a quick, easy solution to hide those pesky gray roots in between salon visits, this product might be exactly what you need. L'Oreal claims it offers seamless coverage in seconds, leaving no sticky residue, no smudging once it dries, which makes it a lifesaver for anyone who needs a fast fix. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the product itself. This spray is designed to conceal grays instantly, giving you flawless roots until your next shampoo. It's ammonia peroxide free, which is a huge plus for anyone worried about harsh chemicals. What makes this product stand out is its lightweight formula, which means you won't get that greasy, weighed-down feel that some sprays can leave behind. Plus, it works on all hair types, even synthetic hair, so it's a versatile choice. Now, speaking from personal experience, this product is incredibly easy to use. After shaking the can well, you simply spray it from about 4 to 6 inches away from your roots. The spray blends effortlessly into your natural hair color without leaving behind a sticky residue, which I found to be a significant advantage. It dries in about a minute, so you can get on with your day without worrying about transferring any product onto your clothes. For someone who's always on the go, this is a huge win. Performance-wise, the L'Oreal Root Cover-Up definitely delivers. It covers gray roots effectively, provides fuller-looking hair by creating the appearance of thicker strands. I tested it on a busy day running errands. Even by the end of the day, the coverage was still intact. It really holds up until you wash it out. Plus, if you have any areas where your scalp might be visible, this product helps conceal that as well. Now, let's break down the pros plus cons. On the pro side, it's easy to use, delivers instant results, lasts until your next shampoo. The fact that it's ammonia peroxide free means it's gentle on your hair. On the flip side, one of the cons is that because it's temporary, you'll need to reapply after every wash. Also, while it's perfect for touch-ups, if you have larger gray areas or fast-growing hair, this might not completely replace your regular coloring routine. If you're enjoying this review, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so we can continue bringing you more great content just like this. When comparing this to similar products on the market, L'Oreal's Magic Root Cover-Up does stand out for its quick-drying formula non-sticky finish. Some alternatives might feel heavy or transfer easily, but this one maintains a lightweight feel while offering solid coverage. The price point is competitive as well, coming in at around $11.99, which is reasonable given its performance. Other root concealers can cost more, don't always match the seamless finish that L'Oreal offers. In terms of value for money, this product is definitely worth considering. You're paying for convenience and reliable performance. If you're someone who often finds themselves between salon visits or home color sessions, this spray could be a game changer. It's perfect for those days when you need a quick touch-up before heading out the door. The build quality of the spray can is excellent too. The nozzle provides an even, controlled application without clogging or overspraying. The design is sleek and compact, making it easy to throw in your bag for touch-ups on the go. As far as customer support goes, L'Oreal has a reputation for responsive service. If you have any issues or questions, reaching out to their team should be a smooth process. So, what's the final verdict? Would I recommend the L'Oreal Paris Root Cover-Up Temporary Gray Concealer Spray? Absolutely, especially for anyone looking for a quick and reliable solution to gray roots. It's perfect for busy individuals who need a fast, effective fix without the hassle of full-on hair coloring. However, if you're looking for a longer-term solution, you might want to consider a more permanent root dye product. This product would be ideal for anyone juggling a busy schedule or someone who prefers low-maintenance hair care. Whether you're new to temporary color sprays or a seasoned user, this is a product you should definitely try. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. If you're interested in trying out this product, you can find the link in the description below. Don't forget to leave a comment. Whether you've used this product or have any questions, I'd love to hear from you.